Hey, Lordy, my God called me this morning.
Just a little while before
morning.
These are the angels queen.
As if from heaven come down, then I stand and I stayed selfless. But saw no one until I looked
Way up in glory.
Well, and the saw God's darling son. Well, let me tell you that the prayer will, oh my Lord,
Started turning and the Spirit of God said, my soul was learning and the prayer will.
oh my Lord,
I turned over and I moved one step on the glory and I rose up a shout.
oh shout in the
Lord God Almighty.
You know my God told me this morning.
Just a little while before day.
Then I heard the rumbling thunder.
Hey, Lord.
And I saw the sinners going under.
Just a little while before day.
And then I saw the zigzag lightning.
Hey, Lord.
And I heard the hellhound barking.
Just a little while before day.
Well, now stop. Let me tell you, well, what my God said to me, well, you said now,
You are making it the kingdom.
let me stay on your bed indeed, my Lord is dead.
Well,
Oh, my Lord is
Start bumping and the Spirit of God said, my soul was jumping and the prayer will.
oh, my Lord
It turned over and I moved the one step on the glory and I rose up a shout.
oh, shout in the
Lord God Almighty.
You know my God told me this morning.
Just a little while before day.
Then I heard the rumbling thunder.
Hey, Lord.
And I saw the sinners going under.
Just a little while before day.
Then I saw the zigzag lightning.
Hey, Lord.
And I heard the hellhound barking.
Just a little while before day.
Well, now stop. Let me say, well, what my God said to me, well, he said now,
You won't make it in the kingdom.
let you stay on your bed indeed, my Lord is
Well,
dead. Oh, my Lord is
Start bumping and the Spirit of God said, my soul is jumping and the prayer will.
oh, my Lord
I
is
turned over and I moved to one step on the floor and I rose up a shout.
oh, shout in the
Lord God Almighty.
You know my God told me this morning.
Just a little while before day.
You know my God told me this morning.
Just a little while before day.
You know my God told me this morning.
Just a little while before